Amazing facts about parrots. Parrots are a diverse group of birds, with over 393 species recognized worldwide. They are known for their vibrant and colorful plumage. Some species, like the eclectus parrot, have strikingly different colors between males and females. Parrots are famous for their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. The African gray parrot is particularly known for its impressive vocal abilities. Their diet varies depending on the species, but many parrots are primarily herbivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, and sometimes nectar. Most parrots have zygodactyl feet, which means they have two toes facing forward and two facing backward. This unique foot structure allows them to grasp objects and perch securely. Parrots are strong flyers and are capable of rapid, agile flight. They have powerful wing muscles and are known for their acrobatic maneuvers.